Welcome to Cincinnati. Last night we arrived late, but we decided to head straight downtown and catch a Reds game, and let me tell you, it was an experience. Great American Ballpark has one of the best skyline views in baseball, and the atmosphere was so much fun. But today's the real adventure. We're spending the next 24 hours exploring everything there is to do in Cincinnati, and you're coming along with us, so without further ado, let's go.
So for breakfast today, we are actually here at Tom and Chi. This is a local place that started in Fountain Square in Cincinnati, and they actually went on Shark Tank, but they're known for more of their grilled cheese, soup, salads, that kind of stuff, but they do have donuts, so we're gonna give them a try.
Okay, so we decided to go with the grilled cheese donut and a strawberry lemonade donut, so we're gonna give both of them a try. I mean, overall, it's a unique experience because it's a sweet donut with a savory inside. I think that sounds pretty good. So I'm gonna dive into the strawberry lemonade. So let's give this thing a try. Oh, look at that gooiness. Okay, how do I do this? All right, so we got a good bite. We got a little bit of strawberry, some cream, a little bit of the donut. This thing's gonna be so good, I already know. It was good. It was so crispy when I was cutting into it. I was like, this is incredible. I don't know what they used to harden that, but it is so good.
All right, so I actually wasn't even gonna make a video about this donut, but it's so good. This is the grilled cheese donut, and it has cheddar cheese on the inside, but it's kind of crazy because I really thought it would be like a grilled cheese sandwich because that's what it looks like, but it is so sweet on the outside, but so savory on the inside. It is, oh my God, it's fantastic. So just if you get a chance to try it, I would definitely try it. It's a little challenging to cut, but it is really sweet and really delicious. It's really good.
Clearly these donuts did not stand a chance, but now we're fueled up and ready to explore Cincinnati, so let's go to our next spot.
We are now at the Findlay Market, which actually has two parts. So there's a whole part inside and this part outside. There's vendors all around the outside too, which is pretty cool. It is completely dog friendly, which is something to note if you come here with your pup. But also what is so cool about this is the oldest operating indoor market in Ohio. So far, it's pretty cool. There's tons of food options, meat, cheese, all that kinds of stuff inside. If you want to grab any more local kind of foods, that's probably where you'd go. But there's also lots of vendors inside that sell things like pierogies, wontons, all sorts of things. So we're probably going to try and grab something to eat here or visit one of the endless shops around here because there's seriously so many. But this is a pretty cool stop on the day.
All right, so we just wrapped up our time at Findlay Market.
And we have to say it is worth the experience. Although it's a bit packed and a little touristy, it has so many local shops, including flower shops, butchers, as well as local produce that looks amazing. Now we're at Rheingeist, which is a brewery that posts local events, and they're having a plant sale going on while you can sip drinks.
And oh my gosh, it is a vibe. Cincinnati, you are winning us over for sure.
So after Findlay Market, we went over to the Cincinnati Museum Center, which was a very cool historic building, and we really loved it. And then that brought us over to Fountain Square. So right now there is a music festival happening in Fountain Square, so there's a ton of people. So we ended up making our way down to the Riverview Park, which is this, and it is so beautiful. There is a beautiful bridge, geese, a ton of seating, and it's just such a nice way to spend your afternoon. So now I think we might get some dinner. Let's see where we end up.
Cincinnati has so much to offer, and right now we are eating over the Rhine District at the Milkman, and we got burgers and fries, and they look absolutely delicious.
Okay, so the burger seems to be on a potato bun, and the patties are so thin and crispy, so let's give it a try. Okay, that is so good. It is, like I said, crispy, but the outer bun is so soft. This is a really good burger.
If you're planning a trip to Cincinnati, we hope this gave you a super solid starting point. But if there's any places we missed, drop them in the comments below and make sure to like and subscribe. We've got a ton more day trip itineraries coming your way. See you in the next one.
Bye.